Hi guys, in today's video would you like to see how I made this lemony lime kingfish? Guys, this fish, I'm telling you, it's mouth-watering, tasteful. The flavors are just bursting from this fish. The aroma that comes from it, guys. If you'd like to see how I made these fish, stay tuned and watch till the end. There is the kingfish. Lemony lime kingfish with Scotch bonnet pepper. Let's get into the video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be preparing the kingfish here. So guys, I'm going to be washing this kingfish into some vinegar and lime. Okay, the lime to cut away the rawness of the fish. This fish, you guys, is easy to prepare. Okay, notice there's no scales, so I just try to get rid of any clot. You just take it out. You just clean it. I would just clean my fish by cleaning this out. Also, you know, here, if there's anything inside here that you don't like, you would get rid of it, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna wash and then season, and I'm gonna fry them and cook them down, brown stewing. So you would clean out, you know, clean it to your liking. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So let me wash them now. So guys, I'm gonna dry my fish carefully. I'm just gonna season the fish here with, this is fish seasoning. Sprinkle on both sides. I have salt here, fish seasoning, the Maggi, and turmeric powder. Okay, so fish seasoning. And this is the turmeric powder. Turmeric is good for you, so just a little bit. The turmeric is optional, and then the Maggi. And this is all-purpose seasoning, guys. So you can use all-purpose of your choice that you like. But in order to get the taste that I'm trying to tell you about when it's testing time, then you would have to use the seasoning that I'm using. And also on the inside and here, make sure I rub the seasoning onto here, the side, like maybe 1/8 teaspoon of salt on each piece of fish. So guys, I'm gonna add the allspice, the pimento seed, and I put, that's for like a tablespoon. I washed a handful of thyme and dried carefully, so all these herbs can take on the fish can take on the scent from them, the garlic, and because you know the fish is raw even though you wash it, and also for flavoring and seasoning, right? So these I put right away, and also the Scotch bonnet. Putting these things in the oil to fry. Later on I'll put onion, but for now that's all I'm gonna put, guys, the dry seasoning, and let this marinate for a couple of hours. So guys, the oil is heated. I'll take the thyme out and leave the garlic, and take the pimento seed out to prevent the splashing, guys. I won't change the temperature on the stove, okay? The stove is on number 7, and that's where I'm gonna keep it. So that's the Scotch bonnet pepper there. There's the flavoring and the garlic. I'm gonna be putting some more garlic, guys, because I like when you just have to be careful of the pimento seed splashing. Looking good, guys. Fish is looking good. The fish is taking on the scent from the garlic. All those flavors are bursting in, and I'm gonna take some risk, guys, and put some pimento seed and thyme in. Okay, you don't have to do that. That's optional, but because you have to be careful of the splashing with the pimento seed, I find mainly. And when the seasoning starts burning, they start splashing, and then that can be dangerous if you're not used to cooking this way. But it's optional. This fish, it's much easier to prepare, much easier to clean, much easier to like faster in a lot of ways, and easier to eat also. There's not a lot of fine bones. In that sense, I like the kingfish. It's meaty. So guys, everything is all fried out, the peppers. Fried dry, it's burnt. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm trying not to break my fish, okay? I don't want to break it. I don't want them to fall apart, guys. When frying fish, I like to fry my fish dry. I like this, the way this looks. I want everything to have that look. It's Thanksgiving in Canada. Wherever you are, in the UK, in the United States of America, guys. In Canada, it's Thanksgiving, okay? October 12th, 2020. It's a holiday, Thanksgiving, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone that is celebrating Thanksgiving. Some people I know, some people don't celebrate. So guys, I turned the burner off, okay? I turned the heat off, and I'm going to take these out. You can see the fish. I'm going to, these are steak kingfish. I'm going to remove them now from the pot and then cook them down. I'm going to use the same oil, guys. 2 tablespoons from this oil. So guys, here I have the onion, tomato, green pepper, onion, tomato. Not too much tomato. A Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and piece of ginger, guys. And garlic. Okay? With the the allspice pimento seed. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Put some fish seasoning. I'm gonna turn the flame down somewhere because I wanna make a gravy here. And some people like to use ketchup, but I don't. I prefer the Diana sauce than the ketchup, because I find the ketchup, I don't know, I get a sourish taste from the ketchup, and from the Diana sauce it's a sweetish taste. So I'm just gonna put 1 squeeze, guys, of lime juice there. And yeah, I'm just trying to get this to thicken a bit. But by the time I put I don't want to make too much sauce, guys. I don't want the fish too soggy. By the time I put the fish in, guys, it's gonna absorb all of the gravy here. So I'm just trying to make it a bit flavorful by adding the powder seasoning. And it's tasting good. With a hint of lime, guys, squeezed onto it. It tastes great. So now here's the fish. I'm just gonna be putting them carefully. Get a broad spatula to handle your fish so that they won't break or fall apart. I'm gonna turn the flame up some more and cover this, guys. And guys, comment down below and tell me, what do you think? What do you think about this? Do you guys love kingfish? Steak fish? I do. It's looking good. And that's all I need. You guys, just the right amount of liquid for 6 slices of kingfish. The spoon here and spoon up the liquid. They cook for like steam for like stew, cook, steam, stew for like 10 minutes, guys. Okay, and then I serve. I'm just basting it here with this tasteful juice. Isn't that looking good, guys? Comment down below, guys. Please comment down below. I think I'm gonna burst this. Comment down below and let me know what do you think about these steak slices fish, kingfish. It's perfect. But guys, look at that. You know what that means? That's a scotchy. That's a scotch bonnet pepper. It's not gonna do me like it did me the last time. Okay, I'm more aware. And then let me turn this down on the lowest setting and cover. And maybe 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes, because basically, like, I don't want the liquid to dry out, okay? As well as I might just turn it off. Turn the burner off and leave it covered for now, so that it can steam from the natural heat that's coming from the pot and the burner. I turned it off because I don't want the liquid to dry out. And the gravy already has its flavor, and I don't want to add any more. I don't want it to dry out, so that I have to add more water and spoil the consistency. Because as you can see, I didn't have to put cornstarch to thicken the gravy or anything. This is just beautiful. This is looking good. Taste is good. I don't need it any thicker. With the onions on top, green pepper. I'm telling you, Scotch bonnet pepper. Hello. Hello. Take a look at my king steak fish. Steak slice kingfish. So guys, I would just scrape away here. This fish is so delicious with the garlicky flavor. The garlicky flavor, guys. The green pepper flavor. The, what else? The onion, the ginger. I'm telling you guys, the lime, the lemon. I love this, guys. This fish doesn't have a lot of fine bones. I'm telling you. I am telling you. The flavor just burst in my mouth. It burst in my mouth, I'm telling you. With the onion, it is so good. Guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay. I have to be careful. I'm talking with this vinegar and Scotch bonnet pepper. This is steak fish. It's a kingfish, guys, and it was worth it. It was worth the money spent. Guys, I'm enjoying this fish. But later I'm going to be making some rice and peas. But because I have to upload this video, okay, guys? Later I'm going to be making some rice and peas. And I'm going to be having family over. Hello. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. And thanks for viewing another one of my videos. I hope you did enjoy this video. And leave a comment down below.